Good morning kids, welcome back to math class.
Today we will learn about descending order. Descending means largest number to smallest number. Look kids, can you see the stairs? Each stairs has a number, right? Look at this boy. This boy wants to move from up to down the stairs. And when he starts moving, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last step 1. The number get decreasing from big number to small number. Therefore, descending order means big number to small number, greater number to smaller number. When the number are arranged greatest to the smallest, they are in decreasing order or descending order. So descending means big number to small number and ascending means small number to big number. Yes, remember ant. Oh, look! Dinosaur! Oh, D means descending and D for dinosaur. Wow! When you arrange a number in descending order, remember this thing. D for dinosaur and D for descending order. So, ascending means ant and descending means dinosaur. Okay?
Now, we will learn how to arrange number in descending order. Now, here are the some numbers. Now, it's 2, 10, 5, 7, 9 and 3. We will arrange these numbers in descending order. And you already know what is the meaning of descending order. Now, descending means big to small. So, we'll arrange these numbers in descending order. So, which number we will pick first? And can you tell me which is the largest number in this group? Yes, 10. So, we'll pick first 10. Now, which is the second largest number in this group? 9. So, we'll pick here 9. Then, which is the third largest number in this group? Now it's 7. Yes, very good. Now, how many numbers are left? Only 3 numbers are left. 2, 5, 3. Now which number is largest now? Yes, 5. So we'll pick 5 from this group. Now only 2 numbers are left. One is 2 and second is 3. Now which number is big? 3. So we'll pick first 3. And only one number is left, that is 2. So we'll keep 2 in the last. Now our descending order is complete. 10, 9, 7, 5, 3, 2. 10 is greater than 9, 7, 5, 3, 2. So first is 10, then 9, then 7, then 5, then 3 and 2. Now here are some more numbers. And can you tell me which shape is this? Yes, it's heart shape. So our first number is 0, second is 8, third is 1, fourth is 5, and 2, then 7. Again we'll arrange these numbers in descending order. And again, what is the meaning of descending order? Yes, descending means big to small. So tell me, which is the largest number in this group? Tell me first. Yes, 8. Which is the largest number from this group? 8. So we'll put 8 here. Then, can you tell me which number is lesser than 8? Yes, check it out. How many numbers are left? 5. Now which number will come here? Yes, we'll pick 7. Okay, now only 4 numbers are left in this group. Now, which number is largest in this group? Check. First is 0, 1, 5, 2. Now which number is largest? Yes, 5. So then we will pick 5. Now only 3 numbers are left. 0, 1, 2. Now which number is largest? 0, 1, 2. Yes, 2. So we'll pick 2. Oh, only 2 numbers are left. Now which number is big? 0 or 1? Yes, 1. So we'll pick 1. And last is only 1 number is left. So this is 0. Very good. So our descending order is complete. 8, 7, 5, 2, 1, 0. First we'll put big number. Okay, then small, 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 and last is smallest number. Okay, guys. Kids, remember the things. Descending means big to small. Okay, now do practice at your home. Bye bye.